bachelor thesis at TU Delft with the title Ecological Engineering Solutions for the Dye River with a case study around Dye Dam. My name is Maarten Duijnisveld and I was supervised by Martine Rutte, and my thesis was done in the framework of the MK27 project. The research area was the Dead River segment of the Dye around Dye Dam, which is depicted in the map. You can see Hanoi and Hatmon depicted, as well as the Dye Dam in about the center of the research area. You can also see the Red River north of the research area. I found that there is a low water quantity and freshwater input in the research area. Also low water quality due to domestic and agricultural discharges. And an ecosystem that has degraded far from its original state. The goal of my research was to identify measures that can address these problems. I wanted to use the principle of ecological engineering, which combines the disciplines of engineering and ecology and uses the creation and shaping of ecosystems to provide several ecosystem services and benefits to the human environment. I have made a final design, which is a combination of 8 ecological engineering measures that can be suited for the research area. And the map, which you can see on the bottom right, is a schematization of these measures, which does not mean that they have to implement it at the specific locations, but it's just to give an impression. Target areas are water bodies and the surroundings, as well as agricultural landscapes. The first measure are vegetative buffers in and around agricultural fields, as well as along water bodies. Beetle banks could be a good way to control pests in a natural way. The change in crop practices and tillage variation can improve the agricultural soils and also provide ecosystem services. The application of water retention additives can improve soil conditions. Restoration of basins and ponds, especially around the built environment, can have several benefits to the human environment. The construction of wetlands could be done on a small scale, on a household scale, or on a larger scale adjacent to the Dye River. Wetlands can provide various functions like water treatment or water buffer functions. The restoration of the Dye floodplain and creation of wetlands could also be an option. And the renaturalization of streams is an option to give streams a more natural appearance. I've also mapped the effects of the different measures that are proposed in my research on 12 selected ecosystem services, which can be seen in the table. To conclude, I think that ecological engineering can be a novel approach also for the research area I chose in the Dye. Local governments and institutions, as well as citizen involvement, would play a vital role in realizing success of such projects. And I think pilot projects could be a good starting point to implement ecological engineering. Thank you for listening, and for more information, please consult my bachelor thesis.